Kumusta ka magdala? Okay lang ka muna? Okay lang ako?
Hindi ka lapit dyan.
Okay lang. Anyway, sige. So, again, no, we were very happy na dami-dami yung tao, no? I was looking at the, ano tawag sila? Drone shot. Damo din ito bisita sa buong. So, again, di ba? Welcome sa inyo. Sige, sino ang ara diri itong nag-concert me last year? Paasan ka mo? Si, ay, damo. Yan, ha?
Damo. Hindi ko makita ako. Gini sa kanila sa
Sige, let's ask them, ano yung madumduman nga parts ng concert ito?
TikTok.
TikTok. O, rin, ano na, TikTok. Sige, ibigay natin uli ang TikTok para sa kanila. Gusto niyo ba yun? Alright, so dahil mahal namin kayo, let's give you the TikTok natin. Okay, mga dancers nila. Palakpak naman.
Two old friends meet again, wearing older faces and talk about the places they've been.
The Bobo Girls.
Two old sweethearts who fell apart somewhere long ago. How are they to know? Someday they'll meet again, have a need for more than reminiscent. Maybe this time, loving they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life, and it feels so right. Maybe this time, love won't end. She smiled like she used to smile way back then. She seemed like she used to do way back when they tried something like them. Waiting for this magic moment. Oh, nagsimula sa simpleng na basulit. That's right. Umawag sa paligid ng mga bansa. Pilit-pilit ako. Sa kainan. Magandang gabi. Pinawagan. Halo ka, balikan. Huwag masyadong mabuti.